To remove and install the radius rods on your Razor Turbo R, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface and ensure it is in park. Next, remove the wheels from the vehicle. Begin by loosening the lug nuts while the vehicle is on the ground, but do not remove at this time. Then, safely elevate the vehicle. Reference your owner's manual for proper lifting techniques. Once safely elevated, remove and retain the lug nuts and set aside. Then, remove the wheels and set aside. Next, remove and retain the outer radius rod fastener. Then, insert a wrench between the frame and the rear gear case, and pivot the wrench towards the front of the vehicle to gain access to the inner radius rod nut. Continue by removing and retaining the inner rod fastener, washer, and nut. And set the rod aside. Before continuing, examine the radius rod shaft and spherical bearings for any wear or damage and replace if necessary. If reusing, clean any dirt or debris using a shop rag. Next, align the inner portion of the radius rod with the mounting holes in the frame. For non-sport trim models, ensure the bend on the rod is pointing up. And reinstall the retained fastener and washer through the rear. And secure with the retained nut. Then, align the outer portion of the radius rod with the mounting holes on the trailing arm. Reinstall the retained fastener through the rear and secure with the retained nut. Continue by torquing the outer radius rod fastener to specification. Then, torque the inner radius rod fastener to specification. Before continuing, ensure the wrench used to gain access to the inner rod nut is removed. Next, install the wheels on the vehicle and tighten the lug nuts until fully seated. Then, safely lower the vehicle until the tires begin to touch the ground. This will help keep the wheels in place when torquing. Once lowered, torque the lug nuts to specification in a crisscross pattern. Finally, lower the vehicle completely. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.